Okay, hello guys. Today we'll show you tutorial the schedule power on off for Xiaomi phone. Okay, let's get started. Go to settings. Go to on the search. Type schedule and then tap on schedule power on off. Here you can set your time. The time is in 24-hour format. So okay, just for me, or if you don't want, you just toggle off, toggle on. Okay, repeat every day or custom any day you want. Okay, just like that, and that's all. For Xiaomi phone, you don't need to restart or anything. Just let it go. Okay, that's all, bro. This is a Redmi Note 11 running HyperOS 1. So if you have one HyperOS 2 or 3, you can do the same. I don't know about MIUI 14 or below. Might be it doesn't have include, or it include, is depend on your brand phone. Okay, thanks for watching.